We were talking about Earth is round. Earth is flat was believed till 5th century, but then we have found a picture which is showing Hindu god who was worshipped from thousands of years ago carrying a spherical earth also. And I just correlated in Sanskrit earth is called as Bhugol. Uh, I will just have a bow down to a lady from UK, Preeti Patel. Did not forget Sanatan Dharma even after becoming Home Minister of UK, and he has worshipped the Lord before the program. Secularism doesn't stop anyone to pray any god, nor stops any individual to attend any religious functions at any time. This is the glory of the Indian culture, in which the philosophy is very clearly written in Bhagavad Gita. One of the interesting part of Mahabharata, the sage Vyasa who wrote this epic, he has mentioned it that it is written in a very lucid style. So everybody who is not performing evils is following Sanatan Dharma. I remember I was reading out one of the article in which Copernicus has mentioned that he has proclaimed the positions of sun, earth and other planets, but our Rig Vedas has already mentioned that. So before Copernicus, Rig Veda noted the position of sun, earth and other planets, and it is very clearly mentioned in Rig Veda. So we can't justify that इंडिया और हिंदी आजकल हिंदी भाषा को बहुत बोला जा रहा है. सागर में मिलती धाराएं, हिंदी सबकी संगम है. शब्द नाद लिपि से भी आगे एक भरोसा अनुपम है. गंगा कावेरी की धारा साथ मिलाती हिंदी है. पूर्व पश्चिम कमल पंखुरी सेतु बनाता हिंदी है. I remember around 250 billion people can speak Hindi across the world. Hindi is the fourth most spoken language in the world. The World Hindi Divas is celebrated on January 10th since 1975. Hindi Divas is celebrated almost like a festival by the people who prefer and speak Hindi, and it is a way to remind the youth about their roots. The history of Hindi is about 1,000 years old. अभी सूरज नहीं डूबा, जरा सी शाम होने दो. मैं खुद लौट आऊंगा, मुझे नाकाम तो होने दो. मुझे बदनाम करने का बहाना ढूंढता है जमाना. मैं खुद ही हो जाऊंगा बदनाम, पहले मेरा नाम तो होने दो. Hindi language is said to be the same format as Kakha Gaga, the Shabdavali, and we know that each word has a different sections. There are hard and soft consonants, and then it is guttural, palatal, lingual, dental and labial. Why it is dental? Because you can't spell ta, tha, da, dha, na, la, sa without touching the teeth. It's a lingual, the ta, tha, so you can make out that palatals ch, ch. So how the pronunciation is there, that is guttural is kh. So the thing is coming from the gut throat. How come the English language is very death driven? I just remember a small joke on this one. A man walks into a bar and he says, I will have some H2O. And the man next to him says, I will have some H2O too. Then he drink and he dies. Because H2O2? Yes, you can correlate it now. H2O is water and H2O2 is hydrogen peroxide. And we can't harm these Rigvedas. Everybody is saying that from trees to a small creature, we can't harm. We can't even harm a small part, which is actually part of our own ecosystem. So preserve nature not for the sake that it makes you happy today or it needs preservation. Preserve it for the sake of happiness you will pass on for centuries to the upcoming generation, as it is with the heritage. So it's very prominently said, do you know that अगर हम एक मधुमक्खी, यदि मधुमक्खी पृथ्वी के मुख से गायब हो जाए तो इंसानों के पास जीवित रहने के लिए बस 4 साल बचेंगे. Why? There is a reason behind this, that honeybees are responsible for the pollination. So never doubt that a small group of thoughtful and committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it is the only thing that ever has. So, भारत की एकता का मुख्य आधार है एक संस्कृति जिसका उत्साह कभी नहीं टूटा। यही उसकी विशेषता है। भारतीय संस्कृति अशून्य है क्योंकि भारतीय संस्कृति की धारा निरंतर बहती रही है और बहेगी। आप जलती हुई मोमबत्ती को उल्टा करते हो तब भी उसकी लौ हमेशा ऊपर की तरफ ही आती है। तो जीवन में इतनी सारी घटनाएं घटेंगी, लेकिन अगर आपका उत्साह जोश नीचे दब जाएगा तो उस समय याद रखना, मैं मोमबत्ती की तरह हूँ और उस परिस्थिति से बाहर आ जाऊंगा। तो मेरे उत्साह को, जोश को कोई नहीं रोक सकता। सो व्हेन वी थिंक ऑफ दिस, वी कैन जस्ट विन एनीथिंग। Ancient people have asked students to focus on their spiritual development also, which will imbibe traditional values in them. When knowledge is cut off from traditional values, it becomes disastrous. Civilizations which get cut off from their traditions and values do not survive for long. It was India which showed a big heart and gave a message of Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam. The world is one family today, and when you say hi and bye even to their parents instead of touching their feet, it's not a mark of respect. So we will talk about Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam. Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam. It's a Sanskrit phrase that means that the whole world is one single family, which Corona has again just defined it. So here the Vedic sages are saying that the entire world is truly just one family. The world is like a small, tightly knit nuclear family, and the words Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, these were said in mantra 72 in Maha Upanishad, which belongs to the Samveda, which belongs to Samveda tradition. The mantra reads Ayam Bandhur Yanati Gadana Laghu Chetasam Udar Charitanam Tu Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam. This is actually the complete phrase, but we make it famous in the last two words, Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam. Even in Tamil poet has also said Yathim Ure Yavarum Kelir. Every place is my hometown. Everyone my kith and kin. So हम सभी जानते हैं कि मनुष्य एक सामाजिक प्राणी है और समाज की सबसे प्रथम कड़ी होती है परिवार। परिवार लोगों के एक ऐसे समूह का नाम है जो विभिन्न रिश्ते नातों के कारण भावनात्मक रूप से एक दूसरे से जुड़े रहते हैं। ऐसा नहीं कि कभी लड़ाई झगड़ा नहीं होता, वैचारिक भेदभाव नहीं होता, मतभेद नहीं होता, परंतु इसके अलावा भी वो सुख दुख में इकट्ठे जुड़े रहते हैं। इसीलिए परिवार के इसी रूप को अब वैश्विक स्तर पर निर्मित किया जाए तो उसे हम वसुधैव कुटुंबकम कहते हैं। Each scientist of Upanishad used to teach with care and affection, sitting close to his students. That is why Upanishad. They felt that that was a knowledge revealed when their individualistic identity, the sense of I am a separate person, and then a sense of me was transferred to it. So Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam का एक और भगवद गीता में कहा गया है वासुदेवः सर्वमिति। इसका मतलब कि हम here we have to understand that vas means to be. So वासुदेव हमेशा हमारे साथ हैं. We have from there are many other mantras also. Yastu sarvani bhutani atmanish vanushpatye sarvabhuteshu chatmanam tato na vichukuputse. He who perceives all beings in the self alone and the self in all beings does not entertain any hatred on account of that perception. So that means he sees everyone as himself and no distinction. That is the perception of the really real quality, which is a reality Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam. The statement is not just about peace and harmony among the societies in the world, but also about a truth that the whole world has to live like a family. Just by contemplating this idea and by at least trying to live by it and practice it, we can make this world a better place. So, the next very important point in Indian mythology is karma. Karma is the Hindu view of causality in which we can call it as a good deeds, words, thoughts, commands which are beneficial, they affect to a person. In the same way, bad deeds, words, thoughts and commands also lead to the harmful effects. These effects are not necessarily immediate but can be visited upon a soul in future lives through reincarnation. Additionally, good or bad fortune experienced in life may be the result of good or bad action performed in a past life. So, one's karmic state affects the reincarnation of the soul. Good karma may lead to reincarnation as a human, while bad karma can lead to reincarnation as an animal or other forms of non human life. Many Hindus hold a theistic view of karma in which a personal god, such as Vishnu in Vaishnavism and Shiv in Shaivism, is responsible for administering karma according to a soul's action. Non theistic strands of Hinduism believe that karma is a matter of basic cause and effect without the need of a deity to meditate the effects. संस्कृत भाषा में कर्म का अर्थ क्रिया है और वे सारी क्रियाएं जो ना सिर्फ हम शरीर द्वारा करते हैं बल्कि अपने मन और वाणी द्वारा भी करते हैं उसे कर्म कहते हैं. सो कर्म को हम भूतकाल का एक प्रतिस्पंदन और भविष्यकाल को कारण भी कहा जा सकता है. सो कर्मा इज द कोर कंसेप्ट इन द इंडियन रिलीजन्स इंक्लूडिंग बुद्धिज्म, जैनिज्म एंड सिखिज्म. According to Dharma, the moral order of the universe, when karma is the force of retributive justice that compels believers to behave righteously. Karma is a central component of the Hindu ethical worldview. So, with this, we will just move on to the third one.